Our project is Waterfall graphic print project, designed by Rand Abu Hammour, studying communication engineering, Yusuf Al-Gharaido, studying electronic engineering, and Blake Sloan, studying communication engineering from Princess Sumaya University for Technology. As a background for the project, basic display elements today are images or characters displayed on LED and LCD televisions and monitors. However, water can be a good display element, an element of nature, and this is the main idea of this project. Applying water for giving a unique way to show movements using the transparent and clear water droplets, forming a graphical waterfall which will leave a long-lasting impact upon viewers. As an introduction for the project to be achieved, a big solid tube is mainly required. 24 other small flexible pipes are joined to 24 water pumps attached to the main tube, which makes each pump works as an input, entering water from the tube, and as an output, passing water through the small pipes. Water switching is done using 24 relays connected to the pumps. An external water pump is used for circulation of water in the tube and the pipes. Moreover, for programming, we use the 16F877A microcontroller, and the software micro-C is used by applying the C coding language.
The design of Waterfall graphic print project is divided into three parts: the electrical part, the programming part, the mechanical part. The electrical design part. This circuit is based on the 16F877A microcontroller. A 5 volts power, a crystal oscillator and a regulator are connected to it. The 24 relays are connected to port B and C and D. From the other side, the relays are connected to the power pumps and to a power supply of 12 volts.
The programming design part. The project's heart is the programming part, which controls the way that water droplets will fall down. For high performance, we use C language in our programming. The 16F877A microcontroller by applying the code on the micro-C software program. In our case, we used C language mainly, mixed with some lines of assembly language in programming. The idea that we used assembly is our need to have a walking zero through the valves to get the water movements required, and this was difficulty offered by C language. The coding idea. The code was written to do some water droplets movements. It starts with a moving water line that starts from the first water pipe and it ends with the last one. The next step is water falling from the whole pipes, then water stopping from them all, for more than one time, in a blinking waterway. After that, we use a water coming out of the odd pipes only, and then coming out from the even pipes only for several times, acting like a snaps.
The mechanical design part. The main tube gets attached to the input of 24 water pumps. Each pump is designed to act as an input and output as well, and each pump's output is joined to a flexible pipe. Water performance switching is done using 24 relays connected to both the pumps and ports B, C, and D in the microcontroller. Every 12 relays have a module. Water circulation is caused by the external water pump, which is joined to a pipe that pours the water inside the main tube. An opened box ended with a hanger is the hardware tool where the tube lays on, in order to have a clear picture of water when falling down in the air. The circuit is the part that operates the whole project when connecting it to the power supply. To reserve the circuit and the relay modules from water, a white cardboard is for separation in order to avoid problems. What is more, a blue light is added as a decoration to give a colorful touch to the water falling. As a conclusion, the 16F877A microcontroller can be programmed to build embedded systems, as we had the ability to successfully display moving water droplets in a waterfall. Moreover, by our project, we proved that enjoyment can be mixed with electrical engineering.